Welcome! This video shows you our detailed cleaning results. See why we are Brooklyn's #1 specialized cleaning service in NYC.
Eco Cleaning Experts LLC does not only offer standard housekeeping services in Queens, Brooklyn, and Manhattan, we also are NYC's solution for the toughest, most complex cleaning challenges. Deep steam cleaning and sanitizing. We use professional, high-temperature steam cleaning to kill 99.9% of germs, bacteria, and viruses on contact, achieving a true sanitization that chemicals can't match. These lawn chairs haven't been cleaned in years, but we were able to restore it with our eco-friendly cleaning product. In just a few hours, our client was able to entertain guests using clean lawn chairs. Do you live in Brooklyn, Queens, or Manhattan? We are the perfect deep cleaning company to address issues like this and more.
To book our deep cleaning services for your home, retail store, leasing property, or a house for sale, use this information.